Today I'm going to make a maze using straw. I'm using these things to make a maze. Glue, straw, pencil, scissors, sketch pen, bead, scale, cardboard, and one white paper for making a maze. Like this, you need to make a maze. You need to cut the straws and stick it like this. Stick it in these lines. I'm going to take this purple one. Now we need to stick it here. We need to cut a little bit now. Like this, you need to create. Now we need to stick it in this cardboard box. Let's do it. Now we are going to stick it now. Now you need to stick it like this. Now I'm going to start from starting. Up, left, up, right, up, left, up, right, up, then right, down, right, up, right, down, right, up, right, up. Finished. Thank you. Have a nice day.